Hey there, folks. Welcome back to another episode of Tech Troubles with a Twist. Today, I'm going to show you the absolute worst way to uninstall a program on Windows 10. Yes, you heard that right, the worst way. If you've been desperately trying to get rid of that annoying software and just can't figure it out, you're in for a treat. Or maybe a trick, depending on how you look at it. Let's get started, shall we? Buckle up, because this is going to be a bumpy ride. First off, find the program's icon on your desktop. It should be there staring at you, mocking you. If you don't have an icon on your desktop, well, good luck finding it. You might have to dig through your Start menu or search for it manually. Double-click on the icon to open the program. Yes, we're opening it first because that totally makes sense, right? That's right, we're opening it first because that totally makes sense. It's like inviting a guest into your home just to kick them out. Now look for any settings or options within the program. This might take a while, so get comfortable. If there's an uninstall button, don't click it. We're doing this the hard way, remember? Because why make things easy when you can make them complicated? Alright, now close the program. Yes, we're back to square one. Next, grab your mouse and click and drag that desktop icon straight into the recycle bin. Ah yes, that satisfying clunk sound means it's gone forever, right? Wrong. But don't worry, you've only deleted the shortcut. The actual program is still lurking in the shadows of your computer. It's like a ghost that refuses to leave. Okay, now let's do it the right way. Click on the Start menu and type Control Panel. Open that up. If you can't find it, just randomly click around until it magically appears. Once you're in the Control Panel, look for Programs. Click on Uninstall a Program. This is where the magic happens. Scroll through the list, searching for the program you want to get rid of. When you finally find it, click on it and then hit Uninstall. Follow the prompts and boom, it's like it was never there. But wait, just to make sure it's really gone, restart your computer. And when it turns back on, check the desktop to see if the shortcut has reappeared. If it has, congrats, you've successfully deleted the shortcut again. Now, for those of you who actually want to do this right, just go back to the control panel, click Uninstall, follow the prompts, and you're done. Thanks for watching this painfully bad tutorial. If you enjoyed the struggle, make sure to like and subscribe for more hilariously confusing tech tips. Until next time, keep clicking and confusing yourselves.